Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share how I wire wrapped these beads. I'm not sure if I'm going to make them the same way yet, but I made these little charms. And then this one here. So before I start on this, I wanted to talk about the wires that I'm using. I didn't realize it before. I knew there was a difference, but I wanted to share it. So I have this artistic wire, it's bare yellow brass, 20 gauge. And then I have this copper, gold, or yellow wire, and it's also 20 gauge. Now there's definitely a difference. You can't really see between the two. This one's a little darker than this one. And this is the Chinese wire, and it is very flexible. I mean, I could even straighten out the wire with my fingers. And then this is the artistic wire, which is the brass. It's brass, yeah, bare yellow brass. And it's more durable, like it's a harder type of wire. And I was trying to do this wire wrapping, but I kept having issues, and I didn't realize that it was because the wire is too soft. Like it won't maintain its shape on the bead. So I wanted to share that. Okay, so the brass, it's a mixed combination of alloy, copper, and zinc, and sometimes it has other elements in it. But I think that's what makes it more resistant to it corroding or changing colors. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. So I'm going to use the brass wire. So I love these. These are nylon pliers. And I got them from, I think it was Michael's. They're the Beadalon brand. And really, for this copper wire, if you go like this with your hand, it'll straighten out the wire. Like, you don't even need this one, like, to straighten it out. But this one's a little bit harder to do it by hand. So I was straightening this out. Okay. So instead of doing an S shape, I'm going to actually just do the bottom or the top. It really, it's just doesn't matter. I just want to make enough to have the coil at the bottom. So I'm going to get my round nose pliers and do a very small, make a very small circle. And then with my nylon pliers, I'm going to start, might not be able to do it with this. Might have to use my flat nose pliers because it won't stay the way it is. Okay, so I think that's fine. At this point, I'm kind of like just making shit as I go. All right, so the bottom, I'm gonna go ahead and, like, it's this way. I'm just gonna make it go like upwards like that. And I'm gonna get a pen. Next time I gotta make that hole a little smaller. And I'm going to add a bead. And I'm gonna start just trying to curve and make this bead, make the wire fit to the bead. Okay. At this point, I'm gonna add another bead. And before finishing with the wire, I'm just gonna make a loop at the top. I'm just gonna coil it until I don't have anything left. And then now that this is in place, I'm gonna work with this wire. I'm just gonna snap that part off. So I don't have my, I bought some thin tools, like I bought some really, I think they're called needle nose, flat needle nose pliers, but I don't know where they are. Because I needed some like new tools so my my jewelry won't get nicked when I'm working with wire. So I just needed to tighten this up because it was starting to get loose from me working with the wire. Okay, and here it is. Super cute. I forgot to add her little crown, but you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some little charms to it like I did to these. Super cute. These little things are actually from Hobby Lobby. I think I don't know if I should do it this, if I'm supposed to do it this way. And then leave the clasp for whatever I add it to. Well, I'm just gonna do it my way. Okay, I'm gonna add, I just have like a lot of the findings in here. I'm just gonna get my heavy gauge, I think these are 9mm jump rings. And I think I'm gonna add a charm to it. I'm gonna add this one here. All right, so I'm gonna get a little jump ring for that one. It's also heavy gauge. And if you don't know what the difference is between a regular jump ring and heavy gauge, it's just as it said. It's a thicker, harder wire used in order to let it, for it to last longer and it won't break apart. So I'm gonna start with this little one here. I think this is actually it's either 5 or 6mm. Here. Actually, I think I'm just gonna add it to this here. Then that and that. Just gonna add another one. You don't have to do this. This can be however you want it to be. And I just don't have the new ones with me. So let's see how I'm gonna do this. There. Right there. That's so freaking cute. I love that. I don't even think I need to add that in there. Let's see how it looks. It might take away from it. So pretty. Okay. What do you guys think? Let me know what you think in the comments. Any suggestions? If you do already do wire wrapping and you're like, or if you have questions that I can answer, suggestions, let me know. And that's it for today. Please go check out my I'm in a YouTube hop, Memory Decks, Puchysmemymondays, and there is a giveaway. So I'm actually going to put one of these in the giveaway to be part of I have a huge plastic storage container for whoever wins this giveaway. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.